So now we just gonna take this cover off. Use our little hose. And then you just push it, and turn it just a little bit, and pull it out just a little. And we'll start flowing out down into the drain. Now when this thing is done draining, you just want to push this back in, twist it, and make sure it's secure. Take that off. Put your cap back on. Alright, well, when it comes to the oil filter, this one's more of a pain. It's nice having a little quart cut open to ready to catch it, because you really can't get a drain pan in there. And possibly some cardboard, you know, try to also give yourself a little more room, try to hit it. But yeah, the way they put this in here is kind of a pain in the butt. Yeah, once everything's drained out, we're going to use our claw. All right, what are we doing now, Cal?
We're going to put a little oil on it.
Okay. On the rubber ring. There you go. Okay. Now you want to screw it on to there. Okay, I can get it tight. Just want it hand tight. Okay. All right, Cal, what's the next step?
Now,
We got the oil drained. We have oil, new oil filter. Now what?
now put the oil in.
Okay. How many quarts should this take?
About 2.
Yeah, so what, we're gonna put one in. You're gonna check it on the dipstick?
Yeah, we can do that.
Not even close?
No.
All right, there you go. How's that work? It's right at the first D. You see it? See the shine?
Yeah.
So I would say you probably just add that other quart, the rest of that, and then you're gonna be good to go.
It's right in between the add and the full.
Okay, that's what we need. Just slap it back down in there. Take it down in, and then you twist it. There you go. And then twist it. That's it. Perfect. Alright, so she fired it up. Seems to be running pretty good. We're going to double check the oil. Right on the money. So this thing takes about 2 quarts. Alright guys, so we just ran around. Everything looks good. Did forget to add, when you're doing these oil changes, make sure you check the air filter. We put a fresh one in this thing. Fresh fuel filter down here. New plugs on this as well, and a new battery from Walmart. These things are like 30 bucks. You can buy service kits for these dirt cheap on Amazon, air filter, spark plug, stuff like that for less than $30 as well. So do what you need to do. Make sure you keep good care of these. These Briggs & Stratton style engines last a long time, as long as you're keeping up with them. So if you guys have any questions or comments, don't be afraid to leave them in the comment section below. As always, God bless.